Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and as you can see that right now gold is trading at 1787. This is the current market price of gold here, and if you have watched my previous videos, then you know this setup very well. 1790 to 1780 is the support zone for the market. It has been acting as a very crucial level, and still it is a crucial level. This level 1719 to 1780, and you can see that right now market is just standing at the support. And apart from this level, you can also see that we also have a trend line coming from the bottom acting as the dynamic support for the market. Yesterday when market faced selling pressure, market took support and bounced, and again you can see that right now market is trying to take support here. So this gives us the confirmation that yes, the present level of gold is still a support for a market. Are you getting my point? Yes, market is standing at support here. So apart from this level, you can see that overall trend of the market is still towards the upside. So as we all know, trend is a friend. It means that if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as you can see right now, gold is standing at support. Therefore, we should mainly be looking for buying opportunities only. And right now, the only support that we have is the 1780 to 1790 level. So therefore, do not buy right now. Okay, let the market cross the level of 1790. Listen to me carefully. Let the market cross the level of 1790 level. If you see that market has crossed the 1790 level, trading good, trading comfortably above 1790 level, then you will get the confirmation that yes, 1790 is still a very strong and valid support for the market. Okay, you'll get the confirmation that 1790 is a valid and strong support for the market. Then you can go for buy. And additionally, we also have this trend line as well, so you should go for buy above 1790 only. This is my analysis. And on the other hand, if you buy, then you should exit by 1805 level, because you can see that previously also whenever market has gone up, it has faced resistance at 1805, because this is the weekly resistance level. So my dear friends, if you buy at 1790, 1791, 92, then you must exit by 1805 level. Keep in mind, this is your take profit target. Okay, so this is the only strategy that I have for you right now. And on the other hand, if gold breaks the trend line and starts trading below it or starts going down, then do not short the market, because you can see that overall trend of the market is towards the upside. So even if gold breaks the trend line and starts going down, if you want to short the market, you can short the market, but I will suggest the beginners and the new traders to avoid gold for the now. But if you are an experienced trader, yes, you can take a sell position, short position below 1780 if you see good selling pressure below this level 1780, because if you see that there's a sudden selling pressure on 1780 level, then obviously market will be going down. But beginners and new traders may be difficult for them to identify the trend, so they can avoid, and they should only be focused on buying above 1790 level. And on the other hand, if you look at the chart of DXY US dollar here, then we do not have any proper picture, clear picture from the DXY. So let's avoid DXY for some time. So this is it. Hopefully I've understood. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.